Now, the next thing is that your decisions, they can affect the store revenue as well too. So let's say that HVAC, the rooftop unit goes out. Revenue can go down because if it's too hot in there, customers aren't going to want to go shop. Employees are going to be like, this is ridiculous. I'm going to get a job down the street because they have, better, cooling going on. Say if you have poor lighting, all right, same idea. Your poor lighting's outside of the parking lot, that's not good, all right? Signages is out, that's not good. That's going to make revenue going down. So your goal is to add more revenue into that location. So if you're able to see what the revenue is for those locations, that is huge. And see how you can contribute to those things, okay? To make sure that the experience for the customer is enjoyable, that they want to go back and shop again. And get with your store managers. Those are the people that are going to make the experience even better. Like, get with them and come up with strategies at times. Whether that's, talking with them, once a quarter, whatever it is. But that's the thing, is that you want to understand that you're basically an entrepreneur. You're running your own business, if you will, okay?